What's happening, guys? It's your boy Avionics back with another unboxing and review and setup video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We've got another Genki product made by Human Things, and this is their Genki Covert Dock. Now what this is a very travel-friendly solution to docking your Nintendo Switch on the go. So if you take a look at the box here, it is a covert dock. Alright, now take a look at the side here. It's a charge and connect your Nintendo Switch on the go. Perfect for travel when you have to kill time back at your hotel room. It's got quick charging technology. It's not only great for the Switch, but for your accessories that you travel with. So you're like your laptop, your tablet, your phone. And it has the most up-to-date Type C and Type A connection, so you can also charge other devices. And then of course it has the HDMI port to connect whatever TV or monitor you are plugging into. So it's very portable, and it has the new gallium nitride technology built into the circuit board. So the company Human Things released this product at the end of July. 1 month earlier, I had purchased their product, their other product, the Genki Bluetooth audio transmitter, which is a wireless solution with Bluetooth, any Bluetooth headset, and you can plug it into the dock itself, or you can plug this right into the bottom of your Switch. I have a whole nother video about the Genki Bluetooth audio transmitter right here, so go ahead and click and watch that one as well. But yeah, it pairs well with the Covert Dock, so you can still enjoy wireless audio while using the Covert Dock. If you're looking to purchase either of these two items, the Covert Dock or the Bluetooth audio transmitter, I have my affiliate link down below in the video description, so please go ahead and use that link. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut the box open, see what all we have inside. Alright, so we have a little box on the top. So let's see what this is. This looks to be the this looks to be the USB Type-C cord. It's actually a right angle connection on this side, and then a straight through and on that side. So I would assume the right angle you would connect into the bottom of your Switch, and then the straight one would go into the Covert Dock itself. Looks like we also have looks like we got another Genki sticker, and then we have our user manual. And that's all that's in this little box. And then underneath that, looks like we have some universal power connections for, like I said, this thing is good for traveling. So if you're traveling like overseas, you have everything that you need to plug into whatever country's native outlet source is. So that's good. That's perfect, you know. And then here is the Covert Dock itself. Let's take a look at, okay, so right there we've got the Genki logo, and then the outlet or the plug flips up. All your connections, your Type C, your Type A, high speed with the blue. You know it's high speed in 3.0 when you see the blue inside of the Type A port, and then the HDMI port. So this is pretty much a straight through install. You're just plugging and playing everything into whatever TV you're plugging into. So it's, like I said, it's perfect for on the go if you're at like a cyber cafe that lets you plug in your devices, or back at the hotel room, plug it right into the TV. And I think that's pretty much everything that is in the box. That's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and set it up with one of my TVs in my house. So the Genki Covert Dock is a great travel-friendly solution. It's very sleek looking, it works just as advertised, and it's $75 right at the Genki Human Things website. Once again, for more information and for purchasing it, use my Genki affiliate link down below in the video description. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button, leave any comments or questions down below, and please share and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notifications bell so you can be notified of more unboxing videos like this.